What does a music compiler do?
So kahle ngiye ngithi mina compiler is like the link between the radio station and the record labels or ama-artist. So when you want to submit umculo wakho ukuthi udlale ku-radio station so that uzozwiwa abantu abaningi, you need a contact person.
Yes.
That contact person is going to be the music compiler. So you submit to us, and then thina suthatha sudlulise kuma-channels efanele adlule kuwona, processwe until it gets approved, and then bese-ke siyawudistributor to ama-shows njengoba suke seniwudlala nje nina usuke usufakwe yithina kwi-system.
In terms of submitting umculo ke ikhona yini mhlambe i-genre umuntu akufanele ayiqaphele ukuthi mangabe ngizoproducer i-sound enje, it's probably not going to get airplay on Gagasi FM because of the sound of the station.
So kwi-Gagasi siyaye sithi sifuna ukunikeza abalaleli into abayifunayo. So we do ama-surveys ku-department yethu whereby we ask ama-listeners ethu ukuthi imuphi music abafuna ukuzwa kwi-station sethu Gagasi. And then bese kuba yibona ama-listeners decide ukuthi no, these are the genres esi-happy ngawo, lawa ayicha siyawabonga. So currently ama-genres ekuyiwona ama-core genres esiwadlalayo la station would be R&B, hip hop, i-dance. Mangithi i-dance ngi-include amapiano, igqomu, include kwaito,
Afrotech.
Yes, a bit of Afrotech and there, faka under house logo. And then you'd have some Afro soul and Afro pop. And then bese kuba nama speciality shows ke adlala genre specific, like a show mhlambe idlala gospel. So you'll hear gospel here and there. Unfortunately umaskandi ubungakangeni. Hopefully because usuyaqala manje uba popular and usuyangena even nakwi-youth manje mhlambe kuma-surveys alandelayo kungenzeka bathi hayi siyawucela manje umaskandi ukuthi isuzwe eGagasini.
I-process yokuthi as an artist ngizwe umsebenzi wami udlalwa on Gagasi FM ihamba kanjani? Athina ama-guidelines that I should follow in submitting my music for one?
Okay. Number one, if you submit to music Gagasini sesiphumile kwi-era manje yama-CDs nama-USB, please send ama-email. Angicabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu ophile eSouth Africa right now ongenayo i-email address, because even amafoni esiwasebenzisa nama-email address. So you need to submit via email. Khona email address yakhona music@gagasi995.co.za.
Easy.
Yes, uyasithumelela umculo wakho, ungawenza ube i-MP3, ungawenza ube i-wave. If ukuthi you can either attach ilokuzana i-audio, or you can create a link or send space or wherever sendele, and then make sure you include ama details zakho register ngawo ingoma kaSambro, which is the composer, the author.
Awufaki CV.
No.
Ufaka ama details engoma.
Yes,
what are those details again?
So sifuna i-author ukuthi obani ababhala ingoma. Sifuna i-composer, umuntu oyiproducile. Nakhona usinika ama-ID. Not igama le station name angithi khona vele on the audio.
Okay.
Yes. So thina we just want the ID names on i-composer and the author, and then sifuna i-publisher yakho, and then we also want i-RISA code ekuthiwa i-ISRC code. Yes. Sendele logo, and then usifakele ingoma. Please make sure ukuthi i-radio edits, mangithi i-radio edits number 1 ayinayo inhlamba.
Hey.
Number 2 ungasendeli bandla ingoma ka 8 minutes.
Hey, podcast.
Kelvin Momo, please, siyacela.
Wow.
Siyacela siyazo release of 15 minutes bengoma.
Make radio edits.
Cela usehlisele yona ibe around obo 4 minutes kanje 3-4 minutes yabo, so that umlaleli ezokwazi ukuthi ayilalele kahle enjoy, uyamthiza mayifuna ukulalela more of it uzohamba ye kuma online stores ayilalela the rest of the song. That's how you submit to us. Sendele via email and ngiphinde futhi it's music@gagasi995.co.za.
After I have submitted through is there not also an opportunity for me to do this online? Let's say for some reason email address yami mhlambe iblockiwe, I've been chucked out of my emails from website Gagasi?
Yes, website Gagasi, you can go in there. Select to submit music, and then bese uyasifakela into zakho. Nakhona abazokubuza zonke lezi zinto author, composer nani. Ugcwalise and you attach the audio, and then we send it izobe isiza ngakuthina.
Help us understand how these songs end up on air through the process obusuthe waqala wayichaza.
So abantu sicela first of all mangabe uyi-artist ube nesnake, because you understand ukuthi ma submit music akusiwe wedwa submit.
one of thousands.
Baningi, even millions, even because baningi abantu sekulula for anyone to just make music and submit right now. Akusafana naqala webhaya abantu bafanele baprint ama CDs and stuff. Yabo kwakunzima ukufinyelela kuma radio stations. Manje umuntu sekwazi ukuthi enze ingoma athi eqeda manje studio ayithatha iupload ayisende to istage. So ziningi ingoma esiyitholayo sicela ukuthi abantu basibekezelele. Iprocess yethu ihamba kanjena. You send ingoma kwi-email, siya receive thina as the compilers, siyayithatha ingoma siyidlulisela kwi-committee ekuyilona elidecidayo ukuthi iziphi ingoma eziqualifyayo ukungena within isiteshi sethu kaGasi FM. Akusiyena ucompiler ozolalela ingoma yakho bese ethi hayi uNonjabula ngimthandi ngeke ngidlale ingoma yakhe cha. Kune-committee ekuyilona elihamba liyolalela.
Amalunga aleli committee are protected.
They are protected. they are silent. Nje ngeke uzubazi ukuthi bawobani but babalekile ibona abadlala indima ebalekile la ekhaya.
And I think it's important for the integrity of this music committee to be protected ngokuthi bangaziwa mhlambe abantu that are part of this, because that will then compromise mhlambe the quality of what you end up enjoying when you listen to Gagasi FM.
That's true. And nokuthi abantu siya understand sama artists amanye umusic awuthatha personal. Magcina sebemvimba la eminyanga sathi uyaphuma umuntu kuthiwa no wena lo ongafunanga ukuthi ingoma yami iphase nanani ngizwile ukuthi uyikomiti whatever. So kubalekile ukuthi siba protect ngaso sonke isikhathi. So once ke bavota ke ba decide ukuthi okay nazi ingoma, then thina as compilers basendela back ama results to say okay guys nazi ingoma enilethile nazi ingoma esiyiphasisile lezani iphasisanga, then thina bese communicator back to ama artist via the same email obusendeleyo nokuthi okay ingoma yakho unfortunately ayiphasanga or ingoma yakho iphasile uzoyizwa ku station nani yabo. So that's the process. And njoba sithi abantu sicala basibekezelele, it's because I committee lihlala once a week and alihlaleli ingoma mhlambe ezu 500 yabo, ingoma ezi limited. So mawukuthi ayizange ihlale for this week ingoma yakho aseza amanye amasonto sicela nje ukuthi usibekezelele usinikeze at least 2 to 3 weeks ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi ingoma yakho ingene through process. Ngenzeka kube longer than that, especially manje njoba siya kwi festive, because ama artists amaningi kade eyibekile ingoma throughout the year. Manje they are flooding us ngoba bonke bafuna ukuba nengoma ezobidlalwa ngesfestive.
Mangabe ingaphasanga iziphi izinto ekungaba yizona mhlambe ezingahambanga kahle with ingoma that cause for it to be rejected by the music committee?
Number one, kade sikhuluma ngendaba yama genres la station. So it's very important for station ukuthi maintain i-sound yaso. So if ingoma yakho ayifiti kwi sound station akusho ukuthi ingoma yakho iyabheda. Kusho ukuthi kufanele mangabe nawe uvula istation ubrowser through ama stations usheshe uzwe ngengoma edlalayo ukuthi yazi iGagasi le. Yabo usheshe uzwe ukuthi hayi ikamakhelwane la ngikhe eGagasini without ukuthi uzwe uNonjabula ekhuluma noma uzwe imaging edlala station. So okubalekile isound ye station ukuthi ingoma yakho iyafita within isound ye station. That's number one. Number two, ungaba equality futhi ecompromise umsebenzi wakho. Kubalekile ukuthi ingoma they need to be mixed and mastered properly. Siyashesha ukuyizwa ingoma ukuthi ayifani nalezi ezinye, and nawe angeke uthande ukuthi mangabe ingoma yakho kusuka enye ingoma mhlambe yeBig Nas mase ngene yakho bese quality shona phansi. So nathi we need to make sure ukuthi for umlaleli ukuze aqhubeka lalele enjoy umculo esimnikeza wona, equality kumele si maintain. So those things are very important. Bese kuba yilezi zinto ekade zisho indaba ze radio edits nendaba yenhlamba. Abanye ke siye sibe nenhliziyo enhle bandla sibafonele sibacela ukuthi hawo bandla yazi sicela wehlise kuneyingane.
But that's only if you're in a really good mood, right?
Yes, kunabashana bakithi abalalele siyacela banje ukuthi ukwehlisa ulethe ethe kuba ngconywana yabo. Nakhona njoba ngisho ukuthi sisuke senze ufefe yabo, into kufanele ngabe uyayazwa ukuthi ekuse njoba ngisenda ku radio station kuzolalela yonke inhlobo abadala abancane ugogo nomkhulu nabo bani. And kufika nje ingoma zibhalwe song 1 song 2 song 3 song 4 song 5, so they don't even know ukuthi ingoma ekasibani bani. So awukwazi ukuthi mangabe ingoma yakhe rejectiwe bese uthi ngoba akuthandwa
ingoma imina.
Ingoma ayifiti icriteria ye stage. Wena buyele emuva ulungise usilethele ingoma engconywana sikwazi ukuthi siyifake. Siyacela ukuthi basendele umculo wabo music@gagasi995.co.za. Even if you have any queries, you can still do that. Send to the same email. Siyasiphendule bandla.
Futhi akukho wrong ukubuza.
Ubuze nje
Kahle
ukuthi
kodwa.
kwenzakalani la ithini into yami, and even if ufuna ukwenza i-follow up, send it to the same email address. Usho ukuthi guys, it's been 2 weeks, it's been 3 weeks ngasenda umculo wami angakawuzwe station angakangiphenduli. Kwenzakalani? Sizokutshela sithi hayi mfethu ilindile, mhlambe uzoyizwa in the next 2 weeks or sizoba nempendulo in the next 2 weeks or kwenzakalani yabo. But nje i-communication yethu ilapho music@gagasi995.co.za.